Hi all, welcome back to my channel Sweet Salt Spicy. Today we are going to see a very delicious sweet recipe, that is 7 cup barfi. For this we require 1 cup of besan, 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 cup of ghee, 3 cups of sugar and 1 cup of milk. Milk is at room temperature. First we have to heat a pan. Once the pan is heated, we can add the besan or gram flour. Do not add any oil or ghee, just dry roast the besan or the gram flour for few seconds, so the raw smell of the besan has to go off. We get a nice aroma once this is roasted. So keep doing this. An important tip, you shouldn't leave the place here. You have to keep stirring the besan or the gram flour. Once this is warm enough, we'll keep adding the other ingredients. So you can just touch the gram flour and you can just check whether it's warm. Even if you get a kind of good aroma of the besan, so you come to know about it. Once this is done, you can add 1 cup of grated coconut and fry or mix it along with the besan. After that, we'll add 1 cup of ghee. Mix the ghee along with the besan as well as the grated coconut. It's a very simple recipe, but the thing is we have to be there in front of the pan from start to end. We have to keep stirring and mixing it. That's the important tip over here. Then we'll be adding 1 cup of milk and we'll keep mixing so that all the ingredients get mixed very well. Keep mixing. Sorry, I have just skipped a clip of adding the sugar. We have added 3 cups of sugar to it. Okay, keep mixing. Once this is cooked, we have to put it in a tray which we would have greased with the ghee. So keep mixing it. See, at the ends of the pan you can just see the sizzling and the ghee is just coming out of the mixture. This is the mid stage of the barfi. So keep stirring it. If you just stop stirring it, it will just form a kind of lump from the down of the pan. So keep mixing it and stirring it continuously. Do not lift your hands. This has to be done very continuously, and you can just see the bubble which is coming out. So I think we are quite near to the last stage of the barfi. So I think it will take another few seconds. So our barfi will be done. You can just see the bubbles over there, and the ghee is coming out of the mixture. As you can see, it gets sticked around as well as under the pan. So we have to keep stirring it continuously. Just keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick under the pan. And another one tip, you have to be very careful. As it bubbles up, it might splutter on your hands or on your body. So keep doing this on a medium flame. As we prepare any of the kind of sweets or any savory snacks, we do it on a medium flame. In the same way, you have to keep the flame in a medium and keep stirring it. As this is done, it will form a kind of frothy and it will come together. Still it is a kind of semi-liquid, so we are nearing to the final stage. You can just see the froth coming out now. Do not lift your hands, just keep stirring. Can you see the froth? It has thickened. The mixture has thickened over here, and see, once I lift it from the down, you can just see the froth over there. This is the final texture of the barfi. So I'll be just giving a good mix to it. Then finally pour into the tin or any kind of plate which you would have greased with oil or ghee. Here I have taken a barfi tin. I have greased it with ghee. So I'll be pouring this mixture into that tin. Can you just see the froth? So this is almost done. Once you reach this stage, you should be very careful. Everything has to be ready and very nearby. Kept it nearby so that as soon as this texture of the mixture is done, you have to pour this into the greased tin. Now I have switched on the flame. You can just see, but even though the barfi is bubbling and the froth is coming out, I'll be pouring that mixture into the greased barfi tin. So once after pouring, just shape that or level that barfi. After 5 minutes, you can just give a kind of shape to it, or you can just cut that and allow it to cool. This is a very delicious sweet, and give a try. And if you like this recipe, kindly hit the like button, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel.